Take a ride in the 2017 Titan XD. This vehicle is powered by a 8-cylinder, 5.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: spray-in bed liner, running boards, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find smart device integration, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, compass. The powerful Nissan Titan XD provides a heavy-duty capable vehicle with a very pleasant driving experience. Innovation within the Titan XD stands out and rounds out this fantastic truck. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.